Hi everyone, welcome back to Sam's Gifted Hands. Today we are going to prepare some fruits for soaking. And in my cup, I have 4 cups of fruits. And the fruits consist of currants, cherries, prunes, raisins, and mixed peel. So let's begin to soak the fruits. And we are going to pour in our wine. I'm using black wine. You can use black wine, rum, whatever you decide to use, that's up to you. And I'm using Ambrosine cake wine. I will leave the information in the description if you want to contact her to get your wine, your black wine. So you are going to cover your fruits with the wine so it can soak properly. Make sure it's soaked properly with the wine. I need some more wine. And make sure to shake the bottle to get all that goodness from the bottom of the bottle, all right? Okay. I'm going to cover my jar and leave this to soak. And with this fruit, I'm going to make a fluffy fruit cake. It's not going to be heavy and it's not going to be light. It's going to be in between. I will get approximately 4 cups of blended fruits with this soaked fruits. It's time to blend the fruits in the blender, and you can use a food processor if you want. I just broke mine. Can you imagine that? Just fell on the ground and it broke. So I'm using the blender. Smell good. The fruits have been soaking for 9 months. This is perfect. You can blend it to the way you like, the consistency you prefer, all right? Now I'm going to make the cake. We're going to begin by creaming our sugar and butter until it is smooth and creamy. Make sure to scrape down the sides so everything is well mixed. After the butter and sugar is combined, you want to add your eggs one by one. And I added lime zest to the eggs. After adding my eggs, I am going to add some vanilla extract, some blended fruits, and some browning. Then you are going to mix everything until it's incorporated. Now you are going to add your flour mixture into 4 portions and mix until you can't see the flour. You are going to mix and fold it in. And when you see the flour disappeared, stop mixing. You do not want a hard cake. And you can feel free to add some rum or wine to your batter when mixing. That's totally fine. After, you are going to add your thoroughly combined batter into your greased baking dish. I greased and floured my baking pan, and you are going to tap out those bubbles. This is the result that I got. I moved to another apartment and the stove is not a very good stove. I am not happy at all with that electric stove. It burns things very quickly, even if you bake it on low heat. But it is what it is. I'm supposed to get a new one, so wish me luck. Let me cut a slice so you can see. And you can soak it for weeks, months. It's totally up to you if you want to leave it like this. And it's moist. I'm not too sure if you've seen the moistness in the video, but it's moist. You can make it darker. It's totally up to you what you want to do with it. It's very good. It's very moist. I cut it immediately. Have a bit of sponginess to it. That's how I like it. Yep, very delicious. And that wine is very good. I love that wine, that cake wine. Very, very excellent. And it's not too sweet, just perfect. Look at that. Can you imagine if you soak this? Very good. There it is. So thank you for watching, and I will leave the measurements in the description. Happy holidays.